Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please grab your seat. Let's prepare this delicious Etor you are seeing here, or you can also call it ripe mashed plantain. Okay, so for my ingredients, I have 4 ripe plantain. This is not very soft, and so that is what you would want. And then I have 4 eggs here. You can use any quantity you prefer. I have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I have a medium-sized red onions here, and then I have salt to taste. I also have some peanuts butter. I also have some fermented fish, which I have roasted, or momoni, which I have roasted in my air fryer. And then I have some spring onion to garnish. I also have some roasted peanut. I have the recipe on my channel, so you can take a look. I also have some palm oil here and some avocados here as well. I will list all the ingredients in the description section as usual. And so here I am peeling off my plantain. I have washed them because I don't want to transfer any dirt to my plantain itself, so I have washed them nicely, and then I am peeling. Once I peel it, I try to check for any spots, like dark spots on it, and then I will gently take that off because I wouldn't want that in my Etor. So I will then cut them up nicely into my bowl, and then I will add in some salt to taste. So yeah, the salt will be to your preference, and then once I have that, I will wash my eggs as well and add it on it so that it can all cook together. And then once I have that, I will add my water to cover the plantain, and then I will cover my pot and bring it to a boil. Okay, so since my plantain is boiling, I will then get my earthen bowl ready with my Etor or wooden grinder, let me call it that way, and then I will add in my Scotch bonnet pepper and some of the onions, and then I will grind them together nicely. So once I have it all grinded together nicely, you don't want it to be too smooth, but yeah, this way, and then I'll add my momoni to it, and then I will grind that together as well. And so once everything is nicely mixed, I will then add in some peanut butter. So with the peanut butter, it depends on how rich you want your Etor to be. Yeah, use it to your preference, but this amount is okay for me. So I will grind that together as well, and I am not adding any salt at this point because my momoni is already salty, so I am not adding any salt. And then I will add in some of the peanuts, the roasted peanuts, to give it a little bit of crunchiness in it, and then I will grind that as well. And so once I have this consistency, I will take a little bit of my mixture and set it aside. And so once my plantain is ready, I don't let it overcook. I just make sure that it's cooked but not overcooked. And then I will take everything out of the pot, set it aside to cool down a little bit, not completely, but cool down a little bit, and then I would add them to my sauce. So I will mash them up one after the other. I wouldn't want to put everything together because I want to make sure that it is well mashed. So I will mash it one after the other until all my plantain is mashed up. Once I have all my plantain mashed, I would then scoop in the bottom. As you can see, my sauce is not all mixed in with my plantain, so I will scoop everything in so that I can get the ones at the bottom, and then I will continue mashing until I get everything nicely mixed and incorporated. once I have that ready, I would add in a little bit of palm oil into my frying pan, and then I will add in some of the chopped onions and fry this for a little bit. So once my oil is ready, I will add some to my Etor and mix them up very nicely. Okay, so once everything is well mixed, I have tasted for salt and the salt is okay for me. And so at this point, my Etor is ready to be garnished. So I added a little bit of the oil and onion on top. I am adding my eggs to it and garnishing it very nicely. Yes, because we want our Etor to look inviting, to look appetizing. And so yeah, I am dressing it up. So once my eggs are added, I will then add in my avocado. And then once my avocado is added, I will sprinkle some spring onions on top of it. This is optional. If you don't want spring onions, that is fine. You can do away with it, but it makes it look colorful and it tastes good as well. And then once that is added, I will then sprinkle some of my peanuts on it. Finally, I will top it up with that sauce that I set aside, and my Etor is ready. Just look at that. Come and let us enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try. And to my old subscribers, I love you all. Thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, as this supports my channel and it helps me grow. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one. Bye for now.